Like and subscribe. I should have made this video earlier. Then again, maybe not. Anyway, let's begin. Nina Turner was played by Bernie Sanders. Bernie Sanders is an Israeli. He is a Khazar. He is a fake Jew. And he used Nina Turner. Nina Turner went state to state for Bernie Sanders, garnering him the black vote all over the United States. And she did this for 2 presidential campaigns in a row. She worked her heart out for this man. In doing so, she told the truth when she said Joe Biden and Donald Trump are 2 pieces of SHIT. She told the truth. Proof? Trump lied about his friendship with Epstein, who is a pedophile. Trump visited his island. Trump was a friend of his. Trump even stated that they both like young girls. There are pictures of Epstein with young girls who appear to be no more than 10 years old. And the media has not released the full pictures of Epstein with young women. We all assume that these girls were 15 and 16 years old. These girls were much younger than this. Trump even hosted a beauty pageant in which he walked into the dressing room of young girls half naked. He has been convicted of income tax evasion. He even bragged about it. He has 5 draft deferments. He has criticized a man who served his country and was taken prisoner of war. He has criticized John McCain and his dedication to the military while he himself did nothing and has done nothing of substance for this country. But what he has done is staged a coup and has gotten away with it, and it seems like they want to give him a second chance. And like I said, he has failed to pay his taxes, but he calls himself an American citizen. American citizens pay their taxes. Biden, a piece of garbage. He supports the synagogue of Satan in their genocide of the Palestinian people. The world is against Israel. Fake Jews. They are Khazars. They will not even take a DNA test. Why won't they take a DNA test? Because it will prove that they are not Hebrew Israelites, and they are Khazars from the Ukraine. Biden, as far as Hebrew Israelites, African Americans are concerned, is a piece of garbage. Why? We put him into office, and he gave the Asians a hate crime bill. Asians are guilty of taking advantage of African Americans in their beauty supply stores in our own neighborhoods. And we have, when there's even evidence of them murdering black people. There is evidence of their racism in the black community. My thing, to get off track for a minute, if Asians don't like African Americans, then put your beauty shops in your neighborhoods and get the hell out of ours. Biden is dog crap. Trump is dog crap. If Nina Turner had not made this statement in support of Bernie, she would have easily have won that congressional seat, which she deserves. Unfortunately, that seat went to Shontel Brown, and we have heard nothing of her since she became Congresswoman. She does not have the qualifications of Nina Turner. Nina Turner had the lead. If Bernie Sanders had given 1/10 of the energy to Nina Turner that she gave him, she would be Congresswoman Nina Turner. If he would have given 1/10 of the effort. Nina Turner, I don't know who her campaign manager was, but that woman did a horrible job. She did a horrible job. And right now, Nina Turner is doing more for the black community and speaking out more for the black community than Shontel Brown has since she's been Congresswoman. Bernie Sanders is a spy. He is a spy. He is a covert spy for Israel, the Khazars. He is not who he pretends to be, because he could have fought for the Democratic nomination, which he won. He could have fought for it. He didn't fight for it. He gave up, and then he told us to vote for who? A piece of garbage, Biden. A piece of garbage, Biden, who thinks that he can win the black male vote with hip-hop records, chicken, and going to black churches. You see, we are Hebrew Israelites, and Hebrew Israelites will not support Biden, but black Christians are still the product of the colonizers and exploiters. And that's why he had the audacity, Biden had the audacity to go to black churches. There's no way in the world he would have went to the IUIC and asked them to vote for him, because he knows ignorance from intelligence. Only a person like Biden would go anywhere in the black community where there was intelligence, because he knows intelligent black people would kick him out. So what I am saying, going back to what I'm saying, is Bernie asked us to vote for Biden, who gave the hate crime bill to Asians. He didn't fight for the nomination of president. He acquiesced to Biden, who has proven himself to be an enemy of the black community, as is Trump. Nina Turner was played by Bernie Sanders. He did not put 1/10 of the effort to get Nina Turner elected to Congress as she put into the effort to get him nominated as President of the United States. Now, if you don't believe me, but go back and watch what he did. Bernie didn't even pretend to help her till it was too late. And even then, it was minimal. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later.